Hi guys, Joe here. I just wanted to go through a few UK legal pocket knives that I have. They're various in prices and everything, but I just want to show you guys what I have and what I've used. So this one here is a Lansky World Legal knife. It's a good slip joint knife, very sturdy joint there, as you can hear. This one I mainly used at work. It has a nice edge, the design here, and this point here is really good for opening up packages, the straps and stuff like that. So, and it's very sturdy, good grip size, so it's a very good beginner knife. Again, this one here I bought on sale for £15. You can get this in Springfield. It's actually on sale there at the moment. Full price is £20. Going across the board, we'll do Field and Steel next, I think. So this one here is probably the most expensive one. It's a custom made knife, but then with the custom made you're getting everything better. So this is AEBL steel, super sharp. Again, good size for a large hand. UK legal because it's non-locking and less than 3 inches. Very nice textured G10 handles here. Steve from Field and Steel does some great work, so I recommend this one. This one I bought second hand. I think is about $150 for second hand. And then over here you have the TBS bore, which is a bit more affordable in the budget area. This is UK legal again. This is very much abused. The tip and the edging has been abused in this one, but you got to use your knives. Ignore all this. That's why I just keep it on my pocket so I don't lose it. But it has curly birch handles. This is, I believe, is a Mach 2. They're up to Mach 3 at the moment. The Mach 3 is £80. I bought this second hand for $30 off one of the trade groups. Again, slip joint. Very nice knife. I put a multi-tool in here because I use multi-tools nearly every day. This is the Leatherman Bond. So you have all the tools that you would need normally in a Leatherman, but this one here has the non-locking blade. So again, that's a slip joint. So, but again, useful. So these are my picks for UK carry. If you have to carry a knife on you, again, make sure you check your laws. Don't get in trouble. Even though it's legal, you still can get in trouble. So carry at your own risk there. But let me think in the comment section, guys. What do you think of these picks? Do you have anything else you consider? Let me know. Thanks. Bye.